Hey, Beyonce was in town, or I guess is in town currently, as we speak, still performing. Now, I wanted to point the camera over at the Clink, but I was hoping to see some kind of lights or firework activity or something like that, but it seems like all of it's on the inside. Everybody on the inside is having a great time. Temperatures this evening, they're kind of all over the place. This is a 24-hour temperature change map, so this gives you an idea that Bremerton, let's say, 6 degrees cooler than this hour yesterday. Oak Harbor, almost 10 degrees cooler. But that being said, Everett's 2 degrees warmer, Tacoma's even, and as you can see, much cooler for you folks down in Olympia and Chehalis, where you're at 41 right now, which means you are definitely falling in the 30s tonight. Would not be surprised if many locations drop to the 30s. We've got a couple of mild spots, Victoria at 50, Seattle sitting at 50 as well, Everett at 50. So I'm going to call that mild, considering where everybody else is. Tomorrow morning, needless to say, will be chilly, but we've got cloud cover coming in. Right now, we're mostly clear, but the cloud cover is just about to approach Nia Bay. I've got it on time lapse here. If this thing decides to move forward. Come on, satellite. Either way, this whole band of clouds, should go back to here, has rain associated with it. Thank you. And that will be pushing through as we go into tomorrow. All right, so it does look like we're going to see some rainfall, and looks like some spots can maybe pick up as much as a ½ inch. So it'll be a good amount of moisture pushing through. This is 1:30 in the morning. It hits the coast, like I told you earlier. It pushes in for the morning commute tomorrow. I think it'll stick with us most of the day. Bellingham up towards the north, parts of British Columbia, the San Juans, you're going to dry out first by midday. This is 1 o'clock, and then that band is going to slide south. Everybody else is still wet. And that fire hose is pointed right at us. Now, it doesn't let up until about the evening commute time frame, okay? That's when we'll start to see this moisture plume fade south and east. We clear out. Another chilly night tomorrow night. But more importantly, we're going to see sunshine on Saturday. So I love how we've started off this fall, right? Getting sprinkled in with a few storms here and there, but we're still getting our sunshine, which I think we can all appreciate. And the next round of storm could potentially get us as early as Sunday. UW high resolution model puts it here around Sunday midday with a bit of rain shadow, but another model I was looking at holds it off until Sunday evening. So if you're going to the game, especially with that rain shadow, I'm pretty hopeful that we will have a dry game for the Seahawks to hopefully get a W against the Rams. Highest rain concentration is going to be for Hoquiam, Shelton, Olympia, south end of Tacoma, and even the south end of the Kitsap Peninsula. 57, that's all I'm going to go with for your high tomorrow. 61 on Saturday with some sunshine. Sunday still looks good, but we will have increasing clouds and, of course, like I said, some rainfall moving in late in the day.